What's up, everybody? CJ here, Fins and Fur Adventures, and I got my Laney bug right here with me. We done set out some jugs. Just waiting to see if we get lucky enough to catch some. This is our first run on the river this year. We're using our old trusty catfish bait we make, and yeah, stick with us and let's find out if we catch anything. Bro!
Told you. I said I bet you there's a fish on it, and you didn't believe me.
I did.
He's kind of dirty. Get a little closer. I don't have long arms.
Let's see what you got.
Oh, it is tight.
Whoa. You got a good one? Oh yeah. Perfect size. Oh man. Perfect size. Oh, a good catfish.
I didn't even see. No, I'm not gonna get too close to that. Oh, that's really cool. He was tugging hard. He was throwing me in.
Man,
Surprised. Throw him in.
Number one.
Got a big one at first. Thought we were gonna catch a tiny one.
The Laney bug caught her first one of the day, and now we have a nightmare.
Yeah.
Not sure I'm getting that out of there, but hopefully it turn on. We get about 4 or 5 of those, and we got supper. Oh yeah! Where you at? How big is he? Pull him up.
I'm trying.
Pull him up. Oh yeah, put him in the boat. Put him in the boat.
You got the girl there.
Yep, she's pregnant. That fish is as big as you. See if Laney got another fish.
We forgot about this one.
What do we do?
We forgot about this one.
He's got a fish on that one. He's trying to get away from us. Got it? Got it?
Yeah, oh my god, it's tugging hard.
You think it's a big one?
It's tugging hard.
Let's see it. Oh yeah.
Bigger one.
Put him in. Put him in the boat. Put him in the boat, baby.
Oh, it's a girl.
Put her on the wood.
Actually, no, this is a male.
All right, put it all the way in. Look at that fish. Say something. Is it heavy?
It's really heavy. It's hurt really bad. Guys.
Laney said it's time to turn around because she don't know where we're at.
I know how to get home, but we get lost. We're gonna get a ticket because we didn't pick up our jugs.
She's worried about getting a ticket because the jugs are still out and we're too far. We got 24 hours, we gotta get them.
Okay, I guess we can go.
Alright, we're gonna go check the jugs and then we're gonna go to the house. Told you, come to the side with it. Pull him in. Put him in. Put him in the boat.
It's a girl.
Alright, pull the rest of it up. Turn it off.
It went over there again.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Go get it, hurry, hurry. Look, it's right there.
Here.
What you got? Pull him in. Oh yeah, perfect one. Perfect fish. Use the trolling motor and everything. Caught your own catfish. Now we just gotta let you start working on taking them off.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm not touching that thing. I would guess it, but I don't know.
I definitely got supper. Did you get it? Oh, you got it. Feel anything? Nothing?
Oh, we do.
You got a little one. Hey, don't do that. You're gonna jangle it off. Now we got a nightmare.
Again.
Well, that's a baby.
What kind of fish is that?
It's a channel cat, a little spotted cat.
I want to eat.
You want to eat it? Oh, we're gonna eat him then. It's my daughter right there. We don't call nothing. Let's see. Me and Ladybug was just about to take off, and then we got this.
It jumped in the boat.
We can't catch the fish, but they jumping in the boat. It literally jumped from the bow of the boat and just stopped it. Like it just went.
Okay, so we were over there, we grabbed the jug, we got a fish, and we were coming over here. As soon as we started launching, he jumps into the boat and flies all the way over here. And we're just like, whoa, what just happened?
We made it back. We caught a few. It was tough. We got her done. We'll fillet these catfish up. Hopefully we can get Mama to fry them up. That's definitely not promised though. But we got the new Cast King fillet knife. Let's put her to work. That's a trick. Don't go all the way against the skin. You won't get all that silver meat. There you go. Anyway, let's get to the kitchen. So, we get our fish to the cutting board. I like to cut them up in good little bite-sized pieces. You can leave them full fillets, but I don't like that. I like to cut it down that blood line right there, straight down the middle, and I cut that in half and get 2 little chunks. So I'm gonna finish cutting that up, and we're gonna season. Got our fish cut up, gonna hit it with a little K. Not too much. You get in a bind if you put too much. Got that. Gonna do a little coarse black pepper, just a little. Old Tony Sasheries, however you want to say it. I call it Tony's. Old Mr. Tony been doing a good job for a long time. Little granulated onion powder. Little granulated garlic. I'm like, golly, you putting all kinds of shit in there. Little Lee pears. Worcestershire sauce. And I'm missing the staple of the whole thing. Louisiana hot sauce is where it's at. Anyway, you can make it taste good without it. Then we're gonna hit it with a little mustard. Yeller. You use any kind of mustard. Not too much though. A little real lemon juice, that's what they claim. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of whole milk. Alright. Last but not least, that's it. We're just gonna stir it in to the fire. We got this old gallon Ziploc bag. I like the Zatarans. It's the only time I really don't use Louisiana product. It's I like the Zatarans fish fry season with a little lemon. Gonna dump that half bag right up in there. I got some all-purpose flour. Do this without making a giant mess. And after adding flour, I always like to add some coarse black pepper. I don't know, makes me feel good. Coarse black pepper, a little cayenne. Justin Wilson, he said, yeah, just a little touch. Tony's. A little onion. A little garlic. Yeah, man, I mean that flour's bland, so let's just add a little to it. Oh, alright, I'm back. Let's cut up our onions. Let's bring it knife. Let's see, we're gonna make some fine onion rings. Just right there. Small as you can get them. That way you just flash fry them. What you think about that? Woo! We'll get off in them fingers. Now what we're gonna do, we'll take all our onions, gallon Ziploc bag. Coarse black pepper. And I'm saying coarse, not of course. Little Tony Sherrigans. Some cow juices. And 2 breakfast poops. Pop. Some old good eggs. So my buddy Paul Robinson needs some good yard eggs. Call him up. All we gotta do, get some grease hot. Start frying, baby. about we go in with some of them fish? Get that out of there. Some old crispy cats right there. We ain't got time to slow down just yet. Don't forget about our onion ring. Onion ring. Oh yeah. I'm making some headway now.